Donald Trump's fundraising juggernaut slows as other Republicans gain Washington. Former President Donald Trump's online fundraising has slowed in latest months, an economic disclosure on Friday confirmed, including to doubts over the firmness of his grip at the Republican Party. Trump's political committees raised approximately $18 million between April and June, about $2 million less than within the earlier 3 months, in line with a file via WinRed, the Republican donation processing portal. WinRed's brand new reports have proven Trump's money-raising falling in 7 of the ultimate 9 months, with tiny profits in May and June. Trump's decline, visible both among small and large donors, contrasts with fundraising increase throughout the rest of the Republican Party, as campaigns warmed up in advance of the November 8 midterm elections, while Republicans wish to capture control of Congress. After bringing in extra than $300,000 an afternoon in online contributions in September, Trump's political committees have raised around $200,000 a day during the last 4 months. The former chief's diverging monetary route from the rest of the party might be a sign of waning enthusiasm for him, said Republican strategist Mike Duhame. While Trump frequently pointers he'll run for president in 2024, about 1/4 of Republicans do not suppose he must, in step with a Ipsos poll carried out June 78. There is surely Trump fatigue, mentioned Duhame, adding that Trump's failure to claim he'll run for president in 2024 may be dulling the urgency of his fundraising appeals relative to Republican congressional applicants operating to USA Democrats this November. Donors care approximately future elections, no longer past elections. Trump spokesman Taylor Budovic said Trump changed into elevating money at an unparalleled pace, and that any notion in any other case is just a tired case of bias narrative peddling through the fake news. No latest president has raised cash after leaving workplace as aggressively as Trump. His most important political enterprise, Save America, had extra than $100 million within the financial institution on May 31, in line with the committee's maximum recent disclosure to the Federal Election Commission. But his fundraising juggernaut, which took in about 1/5 of all contributions made to Republicans via WinRed in June 2021, accounted for only approximately 1/10 in June of this year. Trump, nonetheless the Republican Party's dominant powerbroker, maintains to pinnacle national polls among his party's viable 2024 presidential candidates. But in latest weeks, other capability contenders have raised their profiles whilst Trump has been the point of interest of a congressional probe into the lethal January 6, 2021, assault at the U.S. Capitol by using the previous chief's supporters. Last month, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, who has a political battle chest comparable in size to Trump's, had extra help than Trump amongst likely Republican citizens for New Hampshire's 2024 presidential primary contest, according to a University of New Hampshire ballot.